Shenzhen Fire Security Technology Company Limited was established in 2003, and it located in Shenzhen. It is a factory specializing in smoke alarms, heat alarms, carbon monoxide alarms, and combination alarms. The factory has its own research, development, sales, and production team. We support OEM and ODM services. We have obtained ISO 9001, BSCI, TUV CE EN 14604, EN 50291, AS 3786, BS 5446 certification. We have won the trust of our customers with our professional services, high-quality products, and competitive prices. Our products are also exported to Europe, Australia, UK, Middle East, and other countries. Our factory is not only the production base of various alarms, but also the cradle of security, where innovation and tradition are perfectly blended. High-tech testing equipment ensures that every product can accurately sense the threat of smoke and sound a loud alarm at the moment of danger. Let's expect these small alarms to continue to bring more peace and happiness to our lives. If you have new ideas or suggestions for products, you can contact us at any time. We are happy to accept them and ultimately bring more satisfactory products and services to our customers.